name's Susie McCarthy. In this session, we're going to do some exercises for your eyes, which will help with your vision and also help with those lines around your eyes. By just getting some movement in your eyes, it'll improve your eyesight and it will lift that area around your eyes. For the actual bags under the eyes, there's a different exercise that is in the facial yoga exercises. So this one is a lot more for your vision than it is for your appearance, but by improving your vision, you lift your appearance because you're not straining to see. Okay, let's get started. So the first one, we take our arms out to the sides, thumbs up. Take an inhale. As you exhale, just turn your eyes to try and look at the thumb on the right. Bring your eyes back to center. Exhale, turn your eyes to look at the left thumb. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. And just keep going, just in time with your breath. Not trying to match the speed that I'm going at, just going at your own speed. So we're aiming to keep the shoulders down, the back nice and upright, and move in time with your own breath. So when you first do this, it might be quite hard to take your eyes all the way out to the peripheral. So just take your eyes to wherever they go to, just aiming to go in that direction of the thumb. And hopefully after a few times you've been doing this, it will become easier. And also the very act of holding your arms up like this, once you've got used to it, you won't actually need to bring your arms up. It's actually really good for working on those flabby upper arms. So if you want to do that at the same time, that's great. But these exercises you can do any time of the day. You know, maybe when you're sitting on a train or in a bus. Hopefully no one's watching you too much, thinking that what are you doing? But if you want to do it, you know, when you're traveling, those sorts of things, you can do it without actually using the arms, just simply moving your eyes. So the next one is a diagonal movement. So we take one arm out to the side, the thumb up, the other thumb up, down in front of us. And inhale. Then as you exhale, turn your vision to look at that thumb out to the side. Inhale back to the thumb in front of you. Exhale to the side. Inhale to the thumb in front of you. And just keeping going. So aiming to keep your head nice and still, just moving your eyes. And then just swapping, taking the opposite arm out to the side, the other hand in front of you. You gaze on that thumb in front, exhaling out to the side, inhaling back to center. And relaxing your arms down. Okay, so the next movement we're going to do is a big circle. So you can keep And keep one hand just resting on your knee, the other thumb up in the air, resting down in front of you. As you inhale, you're going to start drawing a circle with that thumb and just following the circle with your eyes. So you want to inhale as you come up, exhale as you go down. Making it as big a circle as you can manage. So again, really nice exercise for those arm muscles, that upper arm where it tends to get a little bit flabby. You're doing some great work for those muscles as well as your eyes. So just moving in time with your own breath, not trying to match the speed of my breath, just inhaling up and exhaling down. Then we'll go in the other direction. Still inhaling up, exhaling down. And following the thumb with your eyes. So this one, it can be even harder. Not for that temptation to move your head to get the better of you. And also quite hard just to keep your focus, your sight on that thumb. So just relaxing. And we'll do a couple with the other thumb. So resting one hand on your knee, the other hand has got the thumb up. And starting to inhale, bring the thumb up, exhale, bring it down. So as far as your eyes go, you really don't need to do it on both sides, but because we're getting that nice bit of exercise into those upper arm muscles and into the shoulder, it's nice to do it on both sides. One more. And going in the other direction, still inhaling up and exhaling down. And last one. And relax. Just taking a moment just to feel into your shoulders, just to feel into the effect on your eyes. You might like to close your eyes for a couple of breaths. So our next one is going to be an up and down movement. We're going to have both thumbs up, starting resting on your knees, on your legs. As you inhale, you're going to bring the right thumb up towards the ceiling, following it with your eyes. And exhale, coming down. Then moving to the left hand, bringing the left hand up. And exhaling down. So going with that movement, alternating which thumb comes up towards the ceiling. Now one more on either side. Inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. Bringing both hands to rest. Taking a couple of breaths before we move on. So the next exercise is just about changing the focus of your eyes. So again, when you're spending a lot of time at a computer, looking at your phone, even if you spend a lot of time driving, we tend to have that very fixed vision. So if you're working and spending a lot of time at a computer, you want to try at least once every half an hour, just taking your gaze away from the computer, changing your focus to look as far as you can into the distance. So pick something at the very edge of the periphery of your vision. So with a bit of luck, you've got a window somewhere close by and you can look out the window. Just look out the window to as far away as you can, then bring your focus back right to the tip of your nose. Then move your focus again away as far as you can and back to the tip of your nose. Then maybe changing what you're looking at. Picking another object that's out in the distance, looking out to the distance, coming back to the tip of your nose. And again, pick another object to look at out in the distance, come back to the tip of your nose. So doing that up to maybe 6 times before you go back to doing some more work. So if you can do it once every half hour, that's a really great thing to aim for. Maybe try and do it, when you get up to go and get a cup of tea, just make sure that you don't just look at your cup and stagger off to get your drink. As you're doing it, pick different things to set your focus on, and also bringing your focus back to the tip of your nose. That's it. I hope you found that useful. I hope you find time to use it. Namaste.